Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair. Today with a video for a customer who had either no previous feedback or very low feedback on eBay. And he's buying an EEPROM for Samsung 55D6003, this TV. I'm going to show something that I've shown before in previous videos, but we got to do it again, and hopefully it will be soon. This is the EEPROM that is going to be back, and we're going to show it has that EEPROM has a CTVR written with a Sharpie on top of it. And before I put it in to show that it does work, I'm going to show you what it is doing without the EEPROM, which is a good lead for something that is important. The TV is going to work without the EEPROM. It is going to start. It will not be able to start the hub, but the TV itself is going to start, and it's going to be working for about 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is, it is off right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it. Where's my remote? Actually, I don't need a remote for that. Even though it will be fine to know where it is. I'm just going to start it. Come on, it started, and start the stopwatch relatively soon. Now, as you can see, it is on. Oh no, yeah, it is blinking. And this is the welcome screen. This is the stopwatch. It's going to go 14, 15, and watch when it will turn itself off and go back to red. I'm gonna find my remote now and show you what else does happen. There it is. The stopwatch doesn't matter anymore. I got the 20 seconds, but we're gonna do something different. Starting it. Smart TV starting, and what I'm gonna try now is to pull up the Smart Hub menu without EEPROM being there. As you can see, I'm pressing, and as you can see, it is trying. It's flashing, but nothing shows up there where it should. And instead, we get that weak or no signal, and sure enough, 20 seconds later, it is shutting off. Now, let's put the EEPROM in. And again, this is the EEPROM that is going to go to the customer. First leg should be down left. Pardon my operating skills. Never really been too good at that, and honestly, not seriously trying to. Okay, so the EEPROM is in. Starting the TV. I did not start the watch, but I can start it now. Sorry. That is fine. Okay, and what I'm going to do now, first I'm going to wait more than 20 seconds. Just for your entertainment. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20... 21. I did not really have to. I just want to show you the difference between the two. So it easily goes above the 30 seconds mark. It's enough. And more importantly, stay on. When I press the Smart Hub, what you will see immediately is that thing on top of it, which says starting. Now we're going to wait because it's still starting and still doesn't prove that it starts, because sometimes you may have an EEPROM there that is messed up, or you may have a different problem in the TV, and this may not fully start. But guess what? It did fully start. And there it is. Now, it's still loading, and you will know that it's finished loading when those change, as they just did. And now the Smart Hub actually has the apps loaded. And what I'm going to do is I'm even going to go and check the network. This is network status, and as you can see, it is currently connected successfully. I can go and try the apps. I can go and try everything. This EEPROM is working. And this is what we're going to be sending. And if you do have a problem, ask us. Please don't tell us that it doesn't work. Thank you.